we have got three brand new handbags, and I have to say they're beautiful. They really are. So this is your first one here. So this is, what's this one? This is your Trellis of Hearts. Now this one has got a diagonal cross going across the middle, so it looks like that one there. These are a really good size bag, they really are. So we've then got this one here. Now this one is your Precious Petals. So this makes up like that. I mean, it's even got all the little brackets for the sides. They are delightful, they really are. Then we have got this one here, which is your Blissful Butterfly. Now what you will note is these have all got different clasp fittings. So if we just have a look at the front of the bag, you've actually got a little clasp that pulls down to open your bag, and then to shut it you just fold it up, and then that little cheeky butterfly just goes over the top again to close the bag shut, and each one has got a different design of that inside. So let's just put that to one side, and I'm going to show you how to put the three together. So I've got them all cut out here. So let's start with this one, and this one here is that butterfly clutch. Okay, you need 2 of the main die. We're just going to go through and we're just going to fold all these little lines all the way over. Okay, so just literally fold, 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 like so. Now on one of them you need to cut a little bit off. So let's cut it off of this one before we go any further. Now what I like to do is I like to just cut off that top tab. Okay, and I like to keep this bit here because it just gives it a little bit of support as well, or you can glue it down on the inside edge. That's entirely up to you. So let's go ahead and start to build this bag. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's take the side off of there, and we're just going to place that one onto there, take it all the way around, take that one, place it onto there. Now we're going to fold in these little side panels. 1. Oh, let's get rid of that piece of tape. 2. Same on the other side. 1. Get rid of that red liner there. 2. Let's get that into there. So you can see how this is starting to come together. I'm going to take off those 2 bits of tabs there. I'm going to fold that one into there, and I like a double fold on there, so that one is just going to come over and stick onto the bottom of there. So that finishes the bottom of the bag off, and this is where, you know, that double edge really does makes it stronger, but you could, if you wanted, just glue that on the inside there as well. So that goes over there, and then you've got your wee little handle that's going to come over the top of that clutch, and you've got all those amazing little fancy bits that is going to go onto that handle. So that's that butterfly one. Okay, so let's bring in this one here. Same sort of principle. Okay, taking off that top edge again, all the way down there. I'm going to go through, I'm going to reinforce all those little edges so that everything is bent, ready to go. Let's fold that edge. We're going to fold this one as well. Just follow your score lines all the way through. And let's make this one. Take that side off of there. Bring its friend in, offer it up. Stick that side down, turn it over. Bring that side in as well. And then we can come down and take off those little corners there. Bring those in. So this is going to give us a beautiful chamfered bottom on this bag. That one there. And then this one at this side. Taking that one off there. Bring it into there. Same on that side. Bring that one in. Then we're going to take that off there. That off that side. I'm going to fold that one down. Take the glue. Stick that one down there. Then that one, all it's going to do, let's just fold that in so it actually folds over. Once again, add your handle on the top. It's got all those cheeky little brackets in there. So you've got that lovely fold at the front. So that's the second one. And last but not least, you've got this little one here. So I do exactly the same. We're going to take off that top point there. Now the difference with this one is we are going to join it straight away. Okay, we're going to join that bottom into there first of all. We're going to bring it up, offer it up to there. So while that's just taken, I can just go along and take away my high tack like so. Probably should have bent it first, Jodie, before you did this, but hey. Taking away all those little bits of tape, and then it's just a case of bringing it up, offering it up to its friend, sticking it down and working your way around the bottom of that hexagon. So try and do one side at a time, okay? I'm trying to just get that away from there. So come up the other side now, bringing in all those little side panels as you go up, and then the other side as well. Let's bend all those over. That side, and that side, and then we can just fold all those little glue taps in and just offer them all up to its friend as you go up and around. Now fold that one in there. Remember that can be glued on the inside edge or it can be left at the top there. It's up to you. Fold it over the top like so, and then once again apply your little handle with all those cheeky little brackets that's in the collection. Some have got square little brackets, others have got beautiful little ovals in there, but I have to say, if you like the King's Cross, the Hillingdon and all those handbags, you are going to adore these. They are so much fun.